Hey guys, I know you guys are living for these voiceovers, so don't be jelly. I have a virgin and you don't. So I love doing virgin hair, but the one thing that sucks about virgin hair is it's really hard to tease because there's no raised cuticle. So I had to go in with my YSA Parks comb that has like a double row of teeth, and that really helps kind of tease it up. I'm going in with my Power Painter here and my Ashley Norman foil board. And I love the foil board because I could really push the lightener in there. And that Framar Power Painter is awesome for this kind of technique. It holds a lot of product. It's great for feathering up the hair. As you can see, I work the hair side by side because it helps roll the hair, penetrate the lightener into the hair. And as you can see, I butter my board first. Here I adjusted my board because it was a little too high, and we are doing a low paint, which is way out of my comfort zone. So, but I love a challenge. And so I just had to keep reminding myself, keep it low, Elyse, keep it low. Don't paint it up to the scalp because, you know, I'm a product of like the 90s hair and, you know, painting all the way up to the scalp. So like not painting up to the scalp is a challenge for me because I don't do it. So here I'm going in with my 3D balayage comb just to kind of mix up the textures, and some I painted high and some I painted low, but I did not have to color melt this. So, yeah, so I have going into the bang, I'm just going to tip it out a little bit right here. Go and hold my foil like that. It's kind of an old school way of holding the foil, but I just want to tip the ends. It was kind of sliding around. And I am using blonde solutions. And if you guys haven't used this lightener before, this stuff is going to rock your world. I mean, I did a side-by-side that I need to share with you guys of my favorite lightener compared to this. And now this might be my new favorite lightener. So as you can see, I didn't use any foils at all in her hair. So the back was done processing, and look how beautiful and clean that lift is. It is like, what in the heck? So it came out great. Here we're Olaplex in number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and tone it. I did the Olaplex first just because I didn't have time to apply her toner because I was working on somebody else. So I just went in and toned it with Shades EQ on the end. I want to keep it kind of buttercreamy, and that's what we did. And that's my Olivia Garden blender brush. And the final result, so beautiful. Exactly what she wanted. A rooted blonde as I could get it. And it came out gorgeous. This is just a different position in my salon to see the color closer to the window. So pretty. She absolutely loved it. It's exactly what she wanted. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.